One of my New Year's resolutions is to read more, so I did the only logical thing, which was wait for Amazon Prime Day to buy a Kindle. Let's take a moment to appreciate that Amazon sells advertising services on its delivery boxes. This is why Bezos makes the big bucks. Anyway, let's open her up. This actually was harder than I thought it would be. The tape's just so slippery. You gotta really dig your scissors into the side first, and then, ooh, almost lost the thumb there. No big deal. And a 1, 2, 3, there we go. Which Kindle did I get? You might be thinking. I got the Kindle Paperwhite. A little bit of focus, there we go. 3, 2, 1, zoom. You might be thinking, why did I get the Kindle Paperwhite? Well, after doing about 2 hours of research, quickly realized that the regular Kindle is about $40 cheaper, but it's only got 167 pixels per inch, as opposed to the 300 or so of the Kindle Paperwhite. And from reading reviews online, this is a meaningful difference in terms of resolution and how crisp the words look on your screen. On the other end of the spectrum, on the high end, we have the Kindle Oasis, which for an extra $100, you get basically the Kindle Paperwhite, but with some fancier bells and whistles. It's got the same resolution as the Paperwhite, but the backlight is a little brighter. It's got physical buttons. The back is aluminum as opposed to plastic. It's got a slightly larger screen. These things are all nice to have, but not really worth the extra $100 for me. All right, that's enough chit chat. Let's open her up and see what is inside. So after you struggle slightly with opening the paper tab, you'll see that inside is another paper box with some nice silhouette, black on black, what is this called? Printing embroidery. Anyway, you'll see this package is 2 sections. The main section at the top houses the actual Kindle, which slides out easily just like this. Underneath it comes with a quick little instruction pamphlet for how to charge the thing. And there we can see it in all its majesty. Kindle. This thing feels pretty light, but also solid. The always-on low-energy display has some instructions on it already. And in the second section of the box, we have a charging cable, USB to micro USB, without a power brick, I might add. And last but not least, I couldn't just buy a Kindle and then make it have to go through life naked, so I also bought a case. After doing a bit of research, I didn't really find a particular brand or particular design that I really liked, so I just went with one of the basic cases that Amazon makes for its Kindle. I think it was around $12. I can confirm that though. So this case is made out of a hard plastic material with a kind of a synthetic but cloth-like material on the outside. It's hard to describe, kind of like a mix of cloth but plastic as well. You can feel that both the cover and the back side of the case, there's like an extra hard layer of plastic there, and it feels heavy, like there's some heft and weight to it. Overall, the case seems super sturdy. I'd be very comfortable throwing this into my bag or even dropping it on the ground a few times, that it would do a good job protecting my Kindle. And the inside of the cover is covered by this soft felt-like material, so you can be confident that it's not going to scratch or damage the monitor of your Kindle. You can see that it fits snugly and snaps right into place, and you'll see that the screen is magnetic when you close it, so it sticks right onto the side of it, and the Kindle itself is aware of this, so when you close your case, it actually knows to shut down the screen right afterwards, which is pretty cool.